Well, time is running out now to get your taxes filed by tonight's deadline. So right now it looks like you have 6 hours and 36 minutes to go. But don't panic if you think you won't make it. Seven's on your side with a look at some of your options, courtesy of ABC's Rebecca Jarvis.
You may have had a whole year to prepare, but that dreaded day of reckoning, tax day, has snuck up on you, and you realize you aren't even close to being ready. Well, don't worry. You're not alone. Millions of Americans missed the April 15th filing deadline for their federal taxes. You can ask for more time, but it could cost you.
If you can't file your return, you need to file an extension. The most important thing to remember is that an extension is only an extension to file, not an extension to pay.
So if you're going to owe money, you'd better bring along your checkbook. Not paying on time could prove to be painful. You'll be subject to both interest and penalties, no matter what.
The interest itself is fairly reasonable. The penalties can add up to 25% of the tax bill.
There is one exception. If you think you're owed a refund or should break even, you do not need to send a payment. Keep in mind, April 15th is a hard deadline with real consequences. If you don't pay, you'll be penalized. But if you don't file or ask for that extension, it gets even worse. Penalties for not filing or paying your taxes get combined, and they can be really stiff. So what happens if you wake up on the 16th and realize that asking for that extension is no longer on the table? The IRS says file as soon as possible to keep those added costs to a minimum. Rebecca Jarvis, ABC News, New York.